الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Muslim killing Muslims, brothers killing brothers, Ummah killing the Ummah. Really? Is this what the dunya has come to? My brothers, tell me, when did you have the authority to take a life? When did Allah tell you to do His job? Remember where you come from. We come from the dirt and we will return to the dirt. Believe me when I say the people who live this life, who is choosing this life, you are nothing but a scum. Remember, the one who kills a Muslim for no reason, wallahi, there is no paradise for them for life. Look at the youth today, 14, 15-year-olds. They aspire to be what? They aspire to be what? They aspire to be this gangster image they see on the phone or computer screen. They love the way it looks. They love the image. They thrive upon it. They want that lifestyle. They want the girls and the money. They believe this is paradise. By Allah, this is nowhere close to what we will get in paradise. Just remember, we will leave all of this behind. In the Quran, Allah says, and whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed life. And yet, these people want to be arrogant. Why? Because it's from another postcode? Brother, you don't owe the streets. You don't owe the road or the postcode. You live in a council house. They owe you. You pay rent to the council. Brothers, look at yourselves. Why are these rappers your role model? What our role model? Our role model was the most perfect human being to ever walk land. He showed how we should behave, yet you choose to avoid this. Brothers, fix up. This fake image isn't going to get you nowhere. You know where it will get you? In prison. So when you're weeping in yourself, don't say to your family to come get you out of there. You want to be a big man. Take your sentence like a man, akhi. In jail, you will realize you're all alone. And most of your gangster friends won't even come to give you a visit. Subhanallah, I'm walking past the brothers in my local area who have not worked a day in their life. They're driving all these big fancy cars, and I look at where they live. They might be fooling everyone else, but they cannot fool me. They cannot fool Allah. What kind of human have you become? We need the guidance of Allah and to follow the steps of our beloved Prophet. Yeah, a lot of these brothers say, yeah, inshallah, we will do our hajj or whatnot. My friend, you are playing with Allah. This life was our test to prove we can follow the rules. But you want to be this big man gangster. Let me tell you something. When Allah says, show me the book of your deeds, what will you show or say? Please, turn away from this life while you can, my brothers. I beg of you. Wallahi.